Welcome to the Dental Hub. At the Dental Hub, we're committed to providing you with the most exceptional care in a compassionate and friendly atmosphere. Today we are going to know some interesting topics about dental health.
Dental bridges for tooth replacement. Dental bridges are a popular option for replacing missing teeth. They are designed to bridge the gap created by one or more missing teeth, restoring your smile and improving oral function. Here's some information about dental bridges. Types of dental bridges. There are several types of dental bridges available, including traditional bridge. This is the most common type of bridge, consisting of a pontic, artificial tooth, suspended between two dental crowns. The crowns are placed on the adjacent teeth or dental implants to support the bridge. Cantilever bridge. This type of bridge is used when there is only one adjacent tooth available for support. The pontic is anchored to a single crown on one side. Maryland bridge, also known as a resin-bonded bridge. It involves attaching the pontic to the adjacent teeth with the help of metal or porcelain wings bonded to the back of the supporting teeth. Implant-supported bridge. In cases where multiple teeth are missing, dental implants can be placed to support the bridge. The implants act as artificial tooth roots, providing a stable foundation for the bridge. Procedure. The process of getting a dental bridge typically involves several steps. It begins with an initial consultation and examination by a dentist. The adjacent teeth, abutment teeth, or implants are prepared by removing a small amount of enamel to accommodate the dental crowns. Impressions of your teeth are then taken, which serve as a mold for the fabrication of the bridge. A temporary bridge may be placed while the permanent bridge is being created. Once the bridge is ready, it is checked for fit and aesthetics before being permanently cemented or attached to the abutment teeth or implants. Benefits. Dental bridges offer several advantages, including restored appearance. Bridges fill in the gaps created by missing teeth, improving your smile and facial aesthetics. Improved chewing and speaking ability. By replacing missing teeth, bridges restore the ability to bite and chew properly. They also help in clear speech. Maintaining tooth alignment. A dental bridge helps prevent adjacent teeth from shifting into the gap left by the missing teeth, which can lead to bite problems and misalignment. Durability. Bridges can last for many years with proper care and maintenance. Care and maintenance. To ensure the longevity of your dental bridge, it's important to practice good oral hygiene. This includes regular brushing and flossing, as well as scheduling routine dental checkups. Avoiding hard or sticky foods and refraining from habits like chewing on ice or using teeth as tools can help prevent damage to the bridge. It's recommended to consult with a dentist or prosthodontist to determine the most suitable type of dental bridge for your specific case and to receive personalized advice regarding your oral health.